Find features that distinguish it from other brands for Hiwill 5.1 Dolby Audio Sound Bar, surround sound system for TV, home theater sound bar with wired subwoofer, and why you should choose. Next, we are introduce some reasons why. Because it consists of the following features. Dolby Audio Surround Sound System. Dolby Audio delivers an immersive sound experience with significantly improved sound clarity. Dolby Audio technology is applicable to a wide range of content types such as movies, TV programs, music, games, and more. Meeting the entertainment needs of different users and bringing users an unprecedented sound experience. Hiwill 5.1 Wired Surround Sound System. Hiwill surround system with 2 surround speakers, 6.5-inch wired subwoofer, it gives the sound a 3D surround sound. Its optimized magnetic circuit and diaphragm deliver fuller, resonant bass. Immerse yourself in rich low frequencies and feel the impact of every beat. Enhances action scenes and explosions with powerful low-frequency response, boosting your bass performance. Enjoy enhanced thumping bass for your smart TVs. Exclusive big 6.5-inch subwoofer, 14.5 liters cavity chamber and upgraded 6 intensified silk dome surround effects drivers to get punchy bass for your smart, flat TVs, PC, gaming monitor, projector, smartphones or tablets. Optimized 3 equalizers. Comes with 3 equalizer modes. Music, movie, and news to select your favorite specialized mode for providing you with a wide range of stereo effects throughout the room so you can enjoy cinematic surround sound in your home. Upgraded CEC, HDMI, ARC connections. Support of using TV remote to control soundbar in HDMI ARC mode, no need to use 2 remotes of turning on, off soundbar and TVs. Remote control HDMI, ARC, OPT, AUX for easy wired connection. Fast wireless Bluetooth 5.3. Bluetooth 5.3 for easy wireless connection, with wider sound range and stable connection to wireless streaming your favorite music, podcast, and TV shows. Support of connecting to Alexa's smart speakers via auxiliary port. If you want to get full highlight features and/or full reviews, please visit the link in YouTube description. Thanks for watching. We hope this video satisfied for you and make sure to press that like button and share this video with your friends. And important, don't forget to press subscribe to get instant notifications of all future uploads.